Today I'll be discussing stainless steel pipe. Stainless steel pipe is commonly used to transport fluids and gases. It is produced in different sizes and has many uses, such as in wastewater systems, food and beverage facilities, chemical processing, oil and gas processing, and more. Stainless steel pipe is non-hygienic as it is hot rolled, which means it is heated up and then rolled through a mill into shape. This leaves it with a rougher surface, which is often dull and referred to as mill finish. Unlike tube, pipe is always round. You can tell the difference between pipe and tube due to the wall thickness and surface finish. Pipe is thicker and has a rougher finish than tube. We stock stainless steel pipe in both Schedule 10 and Schedule 40. The schedule determines the wall thickness of the pipe. Schedule 10 has a thinner wall thickness than Schedule 40 and is typically used in lower pressure applications. Pipe is measured by nominal bore, which is often noted as NB. The term NB is often used interchangeably with NPS, which is nominal pipe size. Nominal is a non-dimensional number that identifies internal diameter. The wall thickness of pipe is determined by the schedule. We stock pipe in Schedule 10 from 1/2 inch to 16 inch, and in Schedule 40 from 1/2 inch to 12 inch. We also stock a full range of pipe fittings, both butt weld and socket weld, to suit any pipe run. I hope this has been helpful in explaining pipe to you. If you have any questions, please get in touch with the crew at the Metal Company, because we make buying stainless steel easy.